Welcome to STBM Chicago 2.0, where we offer relationship suggestions that can heal wounded marriages. Today, we'll delve into healing the ego and its impact on marriage. In a marriage, the ego often takes center stage, leading to conflicts over trivial matters. Each partner becomes entrenched in their own perspective, unwilling to compromise. As ego grows, emotional intimacy diminishes. Partners may withdraw emotionally, feeling misunderstood or unappreciated. This emotional distance can erode the foundation of the relationship. Unchecked ego breeds resentment. Small grievances pile up, creating a toxic environment. Resentment can poison even the most loving relationship, leading to bitterness and detachment. In conclusion, the ego can be a destructive force in marriage, leading to constant conflict, emotional distance, and resentment. But awareness and communication can help couples navigate these challenges. Remember, a strong marriage requires humility, empathy, and a willingness to prioritize the relationship over individual egos. Thanks for watching.
Whether you choose to visit our YouTube page for enlightening resources or join us in person at our welcoming space at 5237 West Diversey Avenue in Chicago, we are here for you. It's time to discover what you've been missing.